Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to install Ice Enhancer mod for Grand Theft Auto 4 and where to find the files. You go to this website right here, www.iceglaze.com/mods/GTA4/ice30. The link will be in the description in the YouTube video, so you can find it. You go here, download. You gotta wait a few seconds. Skip ad, and then OK. And then it's this, ICE 30 170 Riv 1. It's this. This is all it is. Then you go to your Windows directory. Program files, x86. I'm running Windows 8. You go down here to Steam. You look for Steam apps and common. And you see Grand Theft Auto 4. Grand Theft Auto 4. What you would want to do is you highlight everything in this directory. Right click it. And you would copy it. Or you can move to. But I do copy to, and I move it over here. I've already done that, so I don't need to. But it's done. You just copy it over. It's just a drag and drop. It puts all the files in this directory, and then it's done. And if you wanted to look at other add-ons, like vegetation textures or road textures or extra textures, you do this. You download, wait 5 seconds. Yuck. Don't go here. It's a trick. It's a trap. Just go skip ad, because that's an ad. It's not the actual download. See this? It's got the vegetation image file and a README text. You click on it. It's amazingly simple. See? Install path, copy and overwrite. Wherever your Grand Theft Auto 4 is, PC, data, maps, props, vegetation. And then you just take the file, you copy and paste it over. Or drag and drop it over, whichever you prefer. I won't fault you if you do either one. Simple. Amazingly simple. Next. How do you get cars, different cars in your Grand Theft Auto? Well, a lot of people ask me that. Actually, no one's asked me that. The game is years old. Nobody's asked me that. But if they did ask me that, I would tell them to go here. GTAIV-mods.com. Okay? There's a program. GTA 4 Vehicle Mod Installer 1.3. You download it. It'll look like this. Then, when it's opened, it'll look like this. Okay? It's real simple to use. Last night I installed about 52 cars in my Grand Theft Auto. Dodge Diplomat, Town Car, Mustang Classic, you know, Mercedes, Buffalo from Grand Theft Auto 5, and they look great. Suburban 2015, I recognize that. I recommend it, definitely. And you set it for all the cars there. Like, you go here to where the cars are. See? And they're rated by stars and how many downloads it is. Now, every car that I downloaded has at least 5,000 downloads and a rating that's 8.5 stars, because you want quality. You want people that really like it, and some of these are really good. Some of these are silly. Some people didn't put work into. I hate to say it, but you know, it's a work in progress. But my game looks great now. I'll show you real quick. I will show you how to do this just by doing one of the cars that I already got. Browse. Let's say if I want to install a Porsche 911. Double click on it. Then you do next. See? It'll install it as a comment in the game. And it puts it here. Now all the ones in blue are the ones that I did. I replaced all those. Now if I click on next, it's going to give me an error because I've already done it. See? Model restore. And you can restore the model to the original state. So, just in case. Now, it's just that easy. Click, click, click. So, it's easy, it's fast. It breathes life into a new game. Well, it breathes life into an old game. You know what I'm saying. Bottom line is simple. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment on my video, or you can contact me on Twitter, PogoJoe2011. You can catch me on Uplay, which is PogoJoe73. Let's see, what is my other ID? See, Grand Theft Auto. Let me find out what my Rockstar 73 Pogo Joe. So, if you want to contact me, feel free. I'll help you out. Play online. We'll have fun. See you later.